Giethoorn, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a fairy tale-like village nestled in the Overijssel province of the Netherlands. Renowned for its enchanting canals, picturesque thatched-roof houses, and tranquil ambience, Giethoorn offers a unique and idyllic experience that captivates visitors seeking a charming escape from modern life. The village's most distinctive feature is its network of canals, which wind their way through the village and are often traversed by traditional wooden punts. The absence of cars makes Giethoorn a haven of peace and quiet, with the gentle sound of water lapping against the boats being the predominant soundtrack. The unique mode of transportation, whether on foot or by boat, adds to the village's romantic and leisurely atmosphere. Exploring Giethoorn's waterways is a must, whether by taking a guided boat tour or renting a punt to paddle along the canals at your own pace. The quaint wooden bridges that arch over the canals, some adorned with vibrant flowers, add to the village's charm and make for perfect photo opportunities. The historic thatched roof houses that line the water's edge create a picturesque scene straight out of a storybook. In addition to its natural beauty, Giethoorn also offers cultural experiences. The museum Giethoorn het Old Mot Uus provides insights into the village's history, culture, and the traditional way of life. Visitors can learn about the peat harvesting that shaped the landscape and the daily activities of the past. The village's dining scene is marked by waterside restaurants and cafes, where visitors can savor local Dutch dishes and fresh seafood while enjoying the serene views. The friendly locals contribute to the village's welcoming atmosphere, often eager to share stories about Giethoorn's heritage and traditions. For those seeking a leisurely escape, Giethoorn offers a respite from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Whether you're gliding along the canals, admiring the charming houses, indulging in local cuisine, or simply embracing the tranquility of the surroundings, Giethoorn provides an enchanting experience that captures the essence of Dutch village life and leaves a lasting impression on all who venture into its serene embrace.